Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we have got a Lego box to unbox, haven't we?
Yeah.
And it is from Babacorn Bricks and it is a Lego subscription box. It's a monthly box. I will leave all the details and a discount code down below for you guys. But yeah, it's for kids who love Lego. And do I know anyone that likes Lego? You don't like Lego, do you?
Yeah.
You definitely don't like Lego. Who loves Lego the most?
Me!
Yeah. So
I have Duplo yellow.
you like Duplo as well, yeah. So we have been sent this by the wonderful Babacorn Bricks, and we got a little letter that said that she wanted to send us the Christmas box, the December one, but obviously orders had to be prioritised, so we didn't get this until this week, and it's nearly the end of January. So she sent us the Christmas one, and she said we can just enjoy that. We will briefly look at this one, and then she sent us the January subscription, which I've got here. I'm just trying to get it out without showing my dress. So this is the January subscription, and we're just going to get in it and see, what do you think we've got? How much Lego?
I don't know. I just build many.
You always get lots of different, like, you get little Lego boxes, you get Lego crayons. You've had some sweeties before, haven't you?
Yeah.
And stickers, and it's just awesome. Yeah, you did. And you had some sweeties, didn't you? Flying saucer sweeties. So this month's is Star Wars Lego. I'm not sure, you don't know what Star Wars is, do you?
No. Yeah.
But Daddy likes Star Wars.
In a bit Lego, but it's sort of Star
Wow.
Wars. Like the lizard, ginormous, and it was like this big.
I see. Wow. So let me get the little leaflet out and it'll tell us what we've got. So, Star Wars January 2020. I'm going to pull things out, or you can put your hand in and pull one thing out, and we'll do it like this. So what have you got? You have got a Millennium Falcon. So Mika has got pulled out, they share these, we don't. We've got a really big giant Lego box, haven't we? So we've got a Millennium Falcon, which says, where is this? Lego Millennium Falcon Mini Build Limited Edition Polybag RRP £4.95. Ari, you want to pull something out? What is that? Lego, friends. This says fishy and cheesy. Oh.
Be careful, Ari.
It says fishy and cheesy. We chose this item just for you. Look at this. It's a little Barbaroo with a sausage and a chicken on it. How cool is that? It's a Lego Friends, like a little just like a little extra place. So you've got a little tree and then a barbecue with a sausage and chicken on it. How cool is that?
So cool.
I love it. Right, let's put them there.
Yeah.
Mummy's gonna pull one out now.
Pick one.
Mummy's gonna pull out, what have I got here? Mummy's favourite sweetie.
Good choice.
Who wants a little bite?
Me.
What's it taste like?
Orange.
Strawberry. Yummers. Right. Mummy's got a Star Wars Slave 1, I think.
Mummy
I don't know.
about Lego.
Mummy doesn't know about Lego or Star Wars, but Daddy does. So what does this say? Lego Boba Fett's Slave 1 Polybag, £4.95, and it's a limited edition. So was the Millennium Falcon. They're both limited edition.
These nice.
Yeah, your turn now.
This one.
What is in there? We've got lots and lots and lots of tinsely bits.
Yeah.
Okay,
Can
so
I wrap it because I got
we've
it.
got a card. We've got Max Rebo. It's a little...
We like them. We
I know you do.
put them in our mouth.
You do, a little card. That's a collector's card. We've got some little sweeties. So we've got
We
some,
like them.
the little sherbety straws. I think, let me keep the little bag. I think this is a Lego, not a Lego, obviously it's Lego. I think this is a Star Wars little thing, but I don't know what it is. I'll ask Ben and I'll put it on the screen. He'll tell me what it is. Does it say on here anywhere?
Sweet.
I don't know what this is. I don't know. I don't know. I'll put it there. And then we've got a little tiny parcel. Do you want to open that one?
Yeah.
Ari, do you want to get one out? And remember, this has got the little people in it, hasn't it, I think? So you have to be careful.
It's past the parcel.
So this one's got like a little star on it. I'm going to help you open this.
Okay. Oh,
We don't want to drop any bits, do we?
yeah.
And everything is hand wrapped, which I just think is amazing. I'm like, it's all literally hand wrapped with tissue, and it's like stuck with like little gems. It's just, the kids love it.
It's past the parcel.
It is like past the parcel. So who is this? Oh, can you build him?
I think I can.
You try and build him. Can you build that one?
I think
Come over here. Can you build that while Mummy keeps opening? All your bits are here. Don't lose them. If you need me to help with stickers, I can. You build that. So while they're building them, I'll carry on having a look. We've got 2 packs. Have we got 2 packs? 2 packs of Lego collectible cards. Obviously the Star Wars editions. Series 1 trading card collection. 2 packets of those.
Oh, Daddy might like this one, because look.
Wow. It's a Stormtrooper.
A stormtrooper.
We have got some little chocolate coins with unicorns on and clouds. I don't know anyone that likes chocolate though. Don't know.
Me.
Ah.
Me.
What are these? We've got some lightsabers. Lightsaber accessory pack. £5.95. So we've got like 8 little lightsabers. They're really cute. All different colours. We've got a purple, an orange, a blue, a red, a white, a clear, a yellow and a green. Super, super cute. We've got another card which has got Jabba the Hutt on it. I've heard of him or her or them, whatever. I'm not sure what it is. We've got, oh, Mummy's just dropped one. We've got a little,
I got a sailor.
oh wow, that's cool. We've got a little, what is this? A super cute mini figure. I think it's a Wookiee. Is that a Wookiee? Am I in the right collection of things? Is that a Wookiee? I feel like it is. That's cute. What's your one, Mika? Let me see.
Okay.
Pass it to Mummy. I don't know who you've got.
I don't read.
But Mika's got this one. She's just built this one. And he's holding his little gun wrong.
Because I can.
Oh, yeah, with a little gun.
Hello. Oh, I can.
How are you doing?
Mum, please can I open this one?
Yeah. We've got, I've got a little key ring. And I know this is Yoda, and Mummy's keeping that because that is cute. That's going to go on my keys. Look.
Mum,
That is super cute.
Oh,
So
I
that's
got
Yoda.
one.
And we've got another chocolate. Let's test this one to see if it's okay. You put in my 2 favourite chocolates. Right, right, Mika, have a bite. Ari, what flavour is that? What do you reckon?
Good. Orange.
Orange, well done. Ari's got this one.
I'm going to put out the next thing.
Yeah, you can pull out the next thing.
Look at mine.
Wait a sec. Yeah, let me see. Mika's got this one.
Okay. Slide it.
Yeah. Last one.
Oh, a purple bag.
Yeah. And then obviously you've got the Star Wars bag as well. So you've got to build this. So they're just going to build these last ones. And then
We're done.
I'll show you in a second. Wow.
Get that
So
head in.
Ari got this one. They love all these little Lego figures. And then they've got these little things you can peel these off and stick them on things. And
Then we get my one.
Sweeperman.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Aaron.
So yeah, how awesome is that? So that is the January subscription. We're going to really quickly, because this video is very long, go and have a quick look at the December one and show you that. So they usually come in a little box. Again, it's hand wrapped and hand decorated. decorated. Look, like seriously, it's amazing. Look, oh, and they've written, it's hand done, and it says fishy and cheesy. Who's a fish?
Me.
Who's a cheesy?
Me.
That's their nicknames. And so they know that, and I just think it's just so lovely. So yeah, this is a little box, and then we've got, it says, sorry it's late girls, enjoy. PS, we ran out of Santas, so we put in, what, man? I can't read what it says.
Should we just
Something man instead with a smiley face. So we've got the Christmas bonanza box. It says, too fishy and cheesy. Happy Christmas. Love from your friends at Babacorn Bricks. Which is just, they're just lush. We just love them, don't we?
Yeah.
So let's just rip open. It's all like Christmassy.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. You want to pull a cracker, Ari?
Aha.
Yeah. Let's put that one on there. Go on, Ari, pull it. Mummy will hold the middle. Good job. Pull that because it's not banged. Pull it. Okay, so we've got, that's a bookmark. We've got a lovely bookmark. We've got, oh, what's this? We've got lots of flowers. You always get one Lego item that's picked especially for you, so I don't know if that is, no, wait a sec. So we've got lots of little flowers.
Now pause.
Oh, what's this? Fishy and cheesy. We chose this item specially for you. So it's a Unikitty.
A Unikitty?
I don't know what that is, but that looks cool. Right, Ari, your turn. You want this one? Oh, you want that one. Okay, hold that.
A Santa?
You pull that out. What is it? It says a Nexo Nights. Look at that.
Chocolate coin.
Chocolate coin. We've got some stickers. Be careful with that, Ari, don't lose it. Yeah.
This one. I'm going to unwrap this
Yeah, that's fine. And we've got lots of tinsel.
Yeah.
We've got some, oh, we've got some tattoos. We've got Lego tattoos.
Surprise!
Surprise!
Wow, Lego tattoo.
We've got a Lego movie.
A Lego movie.
Collector's character. We've got,
Okay, surprise.
ooh, oh, we've got fruits and vegetables. A little bag of like Lego fruits of, and I don't know why I keep saying Lego, obviously Lego, like fruits and vegetables, and there's a fish and some cherries and a bone and a carrot and a croissant. That's awesome because you like to play little shops, don't you? We've got a Lego bracelet.
I want it. I want it.
You have to share it, so you can have it today. And then you can have it tomorrow.
Mummy must like, Daddy must like this.
You got Krusty the Clown. Wow, Daddy will like that, definitely. What else have we got? I'll just start opening them.
I got
Them, if it wants to focus. Go on camera. There you go, Krusty the Clown. That is super cool.
I want my chocolate coin.
Yeah, you can have your chocolate coin.
Please. Ah.
Look, there's lots and lots of chocolate coins in here.
Don't stick this on my
We've got a flash keyring. Wow, look at this.
Let me see.
I think Daddy might steal this one.
Let me see.
It's a flash keyring. That is really cool.
Wow.
And then got more chocolate coins in the bottom. Look at all these. Oh. Right, Mummy do these. You guys can look at the chocolate coins, but you can't eat anymore because you've had lots. And you've got to have your tea in a minute. Okay, so we've undone everything and we've got a lot. I think every single box or bag you get 5 figures and then lots of other little bits, little packs to build certain things. We've had some trucks before, haven't we?
Yeah.
And a car.
Yeah.
Lots and lots of different things.
And robots.
And robots.
And skeletons.
And skeletons. And I think would you like to have it as a present? If someone bought you as a present, would you be really happy?
Yeah.
Would you be really happy? Yeah. And is it nice to have it come through the post for something fun to open? Yeah. So what do you say to Babacorn bricks?
Thank you.
We will leave all the links down below for you guys if you want to try out a box for yourself. I do have a discount code which I'll put down below for you guys as well. I don't earn anything off that. That is just from Babacorn bricks for you guys to get a little bit of money off. Like, it's not an affiliate link or anything, it's just for you guys to get a little bit of discount.
I put the tattoo.
We're gonna go and do some tattoos, but yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
You want to say bye?
Bye.
Where are you?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.